Planet Earth is teeming with life. From the lush rainforest to the icy polar regions, life finds a way. Every corner of our planet, no matter how extreme, is home to a myriad of living organisms. Yet, within this tapestry of life, a silent war rages unseen. A war that has been ongoing for billions of years, shaping the very fabric of existence. A war waged by an unlikely hero, a being so small it's invisible to the naked eye. This hero is not a single entity, but a legion of microscopic warriors. This is the story of the Bacteriophage, the deadliest being on Earth. These tiny viruses are specialized predators, each one designed to hunt and destroy specific bacteria. Forget lions, tigers, or even the great white shark. While these creatures are formidable, their impact pales in comparison to the Bacteriophage. The title of Deadliest belongs to a creature far smaller, far more ancient. Bacteriophages have been around since the dawn of life, evolving alongside their bacterial prey. Bacteriophages, or simply phages, are viruses that infect and kill bacteria. They attach to a bacterium, inject their genetic material, and hijack the bacterial machinery to reproduce. They are the most abundant biological entity on our planet, outnumbering bacteria by a factor of 10 to 100. In every drop of seawater, there are millions of phages. These microscopic assassins are everywhere. They are in the soil, where they regulate bacterial populations and contribute to nutrient cycling. They exist in the soil, where they play a crucial role in maintaining soil health and fertility. In the air we breathe, where they can be carried by dust particles and water droplets, influencing the microbial communities in the atmosphere, and even within our own bodies. In our gut, phages help control the balance of bacterial populations, impacting our health and digestion. While their size might make them seem insignificant, their impact on life as we know it is profound. They are nature's way of keeping bacterial populations in check, for in their silent war against bacteria, bacteriophages play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. Without them, bacterial populations could grow unchecked, leading to imbalances that could disrupt entire ecosystems. Scientists are now harnessing the power of phages to combat antibiotic-resistant bacteria, offering hope for new treatments in medicine. The study of these unseen killers is opening new frontiers in science and medicine. As we continue to explore the microscopic world, the importance of bacteriophages becomes ever clearer. They are not just killers, but also potential saviors, holding the key to future medical breakthroughs. The unseen killers, the bacteriophages, remind us that even the smallest entities can have the most significant impact on life on Earth. Their story is a testament to the intricate and interconnected web of life that sustains our planet. Bacteriophages, while incredibly diverse in their genetic makeup, share a common structural blueprint. Imagine a lunar lander with a head containing its genetic material and spindly legs designed for attachment. This is the basic structure of a bacteriophage. The head or capsid is typically icosahedral, meaning it has 20 triangular faces. Inside this protein shell, the phage stores its genetic blueprint, which can be either DNA or RNA. This genetic material holds the instructions for building new phages, the key to their deadly efficiency. From the head extends a tail, often resembling a long, hollow tube. This tail is the phage's weapon of choice, used to inject its genetic material into its bacterial prey. At the end of the tail, you might find tail fibers, spidery appendages that help the phage latch onto the surface of a bacterium. This intricate design, honed over millennia of evolution, allows the bacteriophage to carry out its deadly mission with ruthless precision. The battle between bacteriophages and bacteria is a microscopic drama that plays out countless times every second. It's a story of invasion, replication, and ultimately, destruction. The phage, using its tail fibers, attaches itself to the surface of a bacterium. Once attached, the phage uses its tail as a molecular syringe, injecting its genetic material into the unsuspecting bacterium. The phage's DNA or RNA then hijacks the bacterium's cellular machinery, turning it into a factory for producing more phages. The bacterium, now under the control of the phage, begins to produce viral proteins and assemble new phage particles. This process continues until the bacterium is literally bursting with new phages. Finally, the bacterial cell wall ruptures, releasing hundreds or even thousands of new phages into the environment, ready to repeat the cycle anew. This lytic cycle, as it is known, is a testament to the brutal efficiency of these microscopic assassins. Section 4. An ocean of phages, abundance, and diversity. The world of phages is vast and teeming with life, a hidden universe within our own. To truly grasp the scale of the phage world, one must look beyond the microscopic. These tiny entities, invisible to the naked eye, play a colossal role in the balance of ecosystems. These viral predators are not just abundant, they are ubiquitous, inhabiting virtually every environment on Earth where bacteria are found. From the soil beneath our feet to the water we drink, phages are everywhere. From the depths of the oceans to the heights of the atmosphere, phages are there. Their numbers are staggering. In the darkest trenches of the ocean where sunlight never penetrates, phages thrive. In the thin air of the stratosphere they float, carried by the winds. It's estimated that there are more than 10 to the power of 31 phages on Earth. This number is almost beyond human comprehension. That's a 1 followed by 31 zeros. To visualize this, imagine a 1 with 31 zeros trailing behind it. It's a number so vast it challenges our understanding of scale. To put that in perspective, if you were to line up all the phages end to end, they would stretch for a distance greater than the diameter of the observable universe. This comparison helps us grasp the sheer magnitude of their presence. This incredible abundance is matched only by their diversity. Phages come in an astonishing variety of shapes, sizes, and genetic compositions. Phages are not a monolithic group, they are incredibly diverse in their genetic makeup and their preferred bacterial targets. Each phage has evolved to infect specific bacteria, making them highly specialized. Each environment harbors its own unique community of phages, each adapted to the specific challenges of that habitat. In hot springs, Arctic ice, and even in the human gut, phages have found ways to survive and thrive. This vast and largely unexplored world of phages holds enormous potential for scientific discovery and technological innovation. Researchers are only beginning to scratch the surface of what phages can teach us about biology, ecology, and even medicine. The future of phage research promises to unlock new frontiers in science, offering solutions to some of the most pressing challenges of our time. Section 5. The evolutionary tango phages and bacteria in flux. The relationship between bacteriophages and bacteria is not just one of predator and prey. It's a dynamic dance of coevolution, where each player pushes the other to adapt and evolve. This constant arms race has been raging for billions of years, shaping the evolution of both bacteria and phages. Bacteria have developed various defense mechanisms to evade phage attacks. These include modifying their surface receptors to prevent phage attachment, producing enzymes that degrade phage DNA, and even using CRISPR systems, a kind of bacterial immune system, to remember and target phage invaders. Phages in turn have evolved countermeasures to overcome bacterial defenses. They can mutate their tail fibers to recognize new receptors, develop ways to evade bacterial immune systems, and even incorporate themselves into the bacterial genome, lying dormant until conditions are favorable for replication. This constant back and forth has resulted in a dazzling array of phage adaptations, making them formidable foes in the microbial world. Section 6. Phage therapy, a beacon of hope against superbugs. As the threat of antibiotic resistance looms large, scientists are looking for alternative approaches to combat bacterial infections. The rise of superbugs, bacteria that have become resistant to multiple antibiotics, poses a significant challenge to modern medicine. These superbugs can cause severe infections that are difficult, if not impossible, to treat with existing antibiotics. One such approach, with roots dating back to the early 20th century, is phage therapy. This method was first discovered by scientists who observed that certain viruses, known as bacteriophages or simply phages, could infect and kill bacteria. Despite its early promise, phage therapy was largely overshadowed by the discovery and widespread use of antibiotics. Phage therapy involves using bacteriophages to target and destroy specific bacteria, much like guided missiles targeting enemy tanks. These phages are naturally occurring viruses that have evolved to infect bacteria, making them a powerful tool in the fight against bacterial infections. Phage therapy offers several advantages over traditional antibiotics. Unlike antibiotics, which can kill a broad range of bacteria, phages are highly specific. This means they can target only the harmful bacteria while leaving beneficial microbes untouched, preserving the body's natural microbial balance. Firstly, phages are highly specific, targeting only the harmful bacteria while leaving beneficial microbes untouched. This specificity reduces the risk of disrupting the body's natural microbial balance, a common side effect of broad-spectrum antibiotics. Maintaining this balance is crucial for overall health, as beneficial microbes play a key role in digestion, immunity, and other bodily functions. This reduces the risk of disrupting the body's natural microbial balance, a common side effect of broad-spectrum antibiotics. By preserving the beneficial bacteria, phage therapy helps maintain a healthy microbiome, which is essential for various bodily functions, including digestion and immune response. Secondly, phages can evolve and adapt alongside their bacterial targets, overcoming antibiotic resistance mechanisms. This evolutionary advantage allows phages to remain effective even as bacteria develop new resistance strategies. In contrast, antibiotics often become less effective over time as bacteria evolve resistance. This makes them a promising solution for treating infections caused by multi-drug-resistant bacteria, or superbugs. These superbugs are a growing concern in healthcare settings where they can cause severe and sometimes fatal infections. Phage therapy offers a potential lifeline for patients with infections that do not respond to conventional treatments. Lastly, phages are generally considered safe for human use, with minimal side effects reported in clinical trials. Unlike some antibiotics, which can cause severe side effects, phage therapy has been shown to be well tolerated by patients. This safety profile makes phage therapy an attractive option for treating bacterial infections. While more research is needed to fully unlock the potential of phage therapy, it holds immense promise for combating the growing threat of antibiotic resistance. Scientists are continuing to explore the best ways to harness phages for medical use, including developing phage cocktails that can target multiple bacteria and engineering phages to enhance their effectiveness. As research progresses, phage therapy could become a vital tool in our arsenal against superbugs, offering hope for a future where bacterial infections are no longer a major threat to human health.